Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will walk you through the steps to set up a trading account with JustMarkets brokers. So now let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the JustMarkets website. Click on the Open Account button to begin the registration process. Next step is to fill in personal details. You will need to enter your personal information, including your name, email, and contact details. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues later. Next is you need to select the account type. So you need to choose the type of trading account you want to open. Just Market offers various account types, so pick the one that best suits your trading needs. After that, you will need to verify your identity by uploading government issued ID and proof of address. This step is crucial for your account security. And once your account is set up and verified, you can deposit funds to start trading. Just Market offers multiple funding options, including bank transfers and e-wallets. And that's how you set up a trading account with Just Market brokers. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.